HowTo is not enough.
Thing stuff here, but we do it all, and those brakes are pretty much similar to that. Same with the Hellcat, everything. They all install about the same way. So let's go ahead and get this thing in the air and get started. Oh, the RS is right here.
Gotcha.
See, yeah, we still supported the RS on my little shop lights from Walmart. I got that on Amazon for like 10 bucks or something. Completely not worth it, but it was cool. But yeah, the RS was a neat car.
I like it.
Yeah, man. So what we got going on in here, let's see if we get some more light. This is all hard steel, so we're gonna have to separate this guy right there. And then this is what we're gonna be replacing, is those flexible lines. And it comes into the back, and then this will separate there, but pretty much the same. Standard Brembo brakes there. So you guys can see how to change these, but pretty simply. You tap these out, this whole thing comes out, and then the pads come out themselves. When we actually bleed, we're gonna go for these nipples here, and there's one in the back. All right, so we gotta make an AutoZone trip because there's a special wrench that I'll show you once we pick it up that we need, but luckily it's just right around the corner, so it's gonna be fun. All right, so this is what we got to do. Replace those lines there, and you start with that center bolt there on top. It's a 10 mil, and you're going to need a special wrench. It looks like this. It's a flared wrench, 10 millimeter, and that will allow you to get all the way in the back and just get a better grasp, so you don't strip that bolt, because then you're screwed. And then right here is going to be the same deal, but this is how that all goes on there, just to show you. So it's attached pretty much all around, and that gives you a lot more biting force on those little bolts there. Since they're so small, you don't want to strip them. So what I'm gonna do is just grab a hold somehow, little lip, and I'm just gonna pull on this thing until it comes out, little by little. Got it. So this is your clip here, and it holds that in place. So with this top nut free, which it is, I can do it by hand, you're gonna start having some brake fluid come out a little bit. It's so slippery.
Mm-hmm.
All right, the brake line comes free like that. All right, so the next thing we do is this line here is gonna be the same deal, so 10 millimeter. And we're gonna take that free, so righty tighty, lefty loosey. We're gonna go this way. Definitely want to get this thing out. This one's being troublesome, so we're gonna keep attacking that. But you have this clip right here, and you're gonna take like a flat head or something like that, and you're gonna push on these ears here, and it's gonna come out just like that top piece did. And then you're going to take these guys loose right here, and these are 12 millimeter bolts. Especially this top one is really the only thing that you should be worrying about right there. Got it. So that's loose, that's loose. On the back side of the caliper is going to be a 14 millimeter bolt.
It's a good shot too, because you can see everything.
Yeah. So I get my big hands out of the way. Just like this. One last bolt here, holding this whole together is 12 millimeter. Take that guy loose. And it will separate from the bracket. Just like that.
Brilliant shot.
Fit it in there like this. So we have everything tightened up already. We did the stainless steel lines here. Very, very simple, easygoing job. No issues whatsoever. I'm just kidding. Couple, but you know, it's all good. So we're gonna bleed some brakes. So when we bleed these brakes, what's gonna happen is your inside nipple is what we're gonna do first. We have our drain pan, and then we also have our clear tube. It's very, very simple. A lot of people don't know how to do this, so that's why we're gonna show you. This is the the main title of the video. So here we go. Get this one off. There we go. All right, so I've got an 11 millimeters that I'm gonna put on this back side for the inside of the calipers. What we're gonna do first, and just attach my little hose here. And I'm basically going to open this up. He's gonna push on the brake, and you're gonna see the fluid come out. So we put some new stuff in there too. It's a little bit lighter of a fluid, so there'll be a little bit of color change hopefully, and it should be simple. So you want to get rid of any air bubbles that are caught up in the brake line. So these are brand new lines, they have no fluid in them. So, all right, I'm open. Closed. I'm open again. Closed. All right, so we have no air bubbles there. So we were good to go on this side, and now we're going to do the outside. We're open. Closed. That's it. All right. So we started at dot 3, and his new brake pads and everything came with some dot 4, so it's a lighter fluid. We did see a color change there on the fluid, and we saw no air bubbles to finish, so we are good to go. And that is it. Short, sweet, simple, to the point, no BS. That's it. Right to the oh yeah, we gotta add here. I've got the thing. We're gonna go to the fill line and about there.
There you go.
Yeah, it needs some more. That's okay. They gave you 2 bottles.
His video.
Mm-hmm.
He got some of it on there, and he was trying to wipe it off.
Yeah.
He took the paint slam off. I was like, yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, brake fluid's nasty stuff. Yeah, it's very important that you clean up your surface area and all of that. Probably try to not get it on your clothes and everything else, if you can help it. Maybe wear some dirty jeans. Those are my working jeans right there. I got the dirty knees. All right.